ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯤꯅꯤꯐꯣꯜ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯗꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯨꯟ ꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯨꯟ ꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯦ A4 ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯀꯣꯕꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯨꯟ ꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯣꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯊꯛꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯩ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯛꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯆꯣꯠꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯛꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 50 ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯄꯤꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯩꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯏ ꯊꯥꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯌꯤꯡꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯤꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ 2-3 ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯒꯤꯅꯤꯐꯣꯜ 19-21 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ. Guineafowl kits can be brewed easily using a simple carton box. Here we can see the size of the carton box is not that big, and here inside we have to put the guinea bags because it will help improving the leg strength. Then here one of the most important thing is the drinker. You have to purchase a small drinker, this one, otherwise it will drown in the water. Then the feed is the pre-starter for 2 weeks. Then the lighting, you have to put the heating source, that is we mostly use the electric bulb. Here I'm using 40-watt bulb. You can use 60 or 40 or 100. It depends on your size of the brooding and your choice and the number of the kit. See, they are sleeping very nicely. So it's around 20 kids here, Guineafowl kids, so they can be brood here very comfortably. You can compare with this A4 paper packet. The size of the brooder is not that big. You can keep it, see, it's my room, and you can keep it very clean, and even inside the room. So that's all. The brooding is not that difficult. If you brood the kids properly, then there will be no mortality. Thank you for watching.